So at this point, I didn't really know what to do. How's it going, everyone? Space Life here. Today's episode, we're going to be picking some runner beans. You can see here we've been growing these all year. Still got some really nice flowers on here. I'm going to be showing you a really awesome recipe today. Really simple one too, and it's going to make these runner beans taste on another level. Let's get to it. So I'm going to start with picking some of these incredible runner beans. First, what you want to do, whilst this is warming up, prepare your veg. Start with a runner beans. Cut all the edges off of these. Get them all about the same size. So you can see we've got all our tasty beans prepared here. Now, get your pan on the heat. A bit of olive oil. Throw your beans straight in. Now you can prepare your other ingredients. Get your garlic here. Put about 4 cloves in. So you want to cook that together a little bit. Your courgette. You can use half of this one to get rid of the seeds too. You can see it's cooking down a little bit now. Fire's going nicely. I just want to leave it to cook for probably another 5-10 minutes, to be honest. It will take a while. These vegetables don't cook fast. Now it's about time to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. You will be able to add a little bit more later as well, if it needs it. It's always best to let your seasonings cook into your veg here. Gets the flavours going better. It's really kicking off some heat now. Want to get a nice bit of colour on your veg here. So at this point, I didn't really know what to do. Part of me was like, shall I still try and get a YouTube video out of this? So I started putting the veg back in the pan. And part of me was thinking, it's just been on the grass, it's nothing to worry about surely. I carefully checked the veg, and I'm sure people won't mind as long as I tell them that it fell on the grass. And to be fair, people gave me a funny look when I told them, but they still ate it and said it was really tasty. And that's the main thing at the end of the day. And I even ate some too. So it just goes to show a few germs can't kill you. Well, a few germs that were just on the grass. And also, all the food on the floor was too hot for me to pick up with my hands. Even though I'm a chef, you'd think I'd have asbestos fingers. So I had to go back indoors to get a fork to pick up the food. But yeah, on with the rest of the video when I continued cooking. Now you got your lemon ready, just want to add some of this in. Go for the whole lemon this time, add loads of flavour in there. So there you have it guys, probably took about 15 minutes in the end. I want to make sure all them vegetables cook through properly. It's a little bit different using this wood fire as well. Yeah, ready to plate up now. Let's see how tasty it is close up as well. Get them all on the plate there. And we're just going to finish it off with a little bit of balsamic glaze here. Try not to get my hand, but yeah. There you go guys. You can see that looks incredible. And I'm going to tuck into this right now. Yeah, thanks to everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.